Hey, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Urbana here. Let's jump into today's video. Today we are going to discuss about the effectiveness of digital marketing in e-commerce business. According to the Times of India, digital marketing is the foundation of every business. In reality, it is one of the most effective and interesting instruments available to contemporary markets for fostering brand recognition and brand expansion. We talked about marketing framework that concentrates your effort and make use of the 7 C's of digital marketing. The 7 C's of digital marketing offer a scalable and reproducible contemporary framework intended to assist marketers in achieving their objectives. The 7 C's are customers, content, context, community, convenience, cohesion, and conclusion. Customer. Whatever the marketing strategy is, you need to put the consumer first because without consumer, there is nothing. With the help of digital marketing, you can tailor each campaign, communication, and service to your audience the more you want. Then comes content. Content plays a great and vital role in digital marketing strategy. A great digital marketing strategy must include high quality, original, and knowledgeable content. Then comes context. For getting your brand message effectively, you need to be aware of the wider context of your target audience. Means buyer's intent and correlating what is currently happening in the world. Promoting and producing content according to the audience's need is important to grow your business. Community. Community marketing is an excellent strategy to use if you want to interact with your audience in a genuine and non-intrusive way. It will assist you in fostering long-lasting positive relationship with both current and potential clients by bringing them together. Then comes convenience. Convenience is a lens for digital marketers. It is such a creative lens by which digital marketers can assist you in lowering obstacles, enhancing clients' relations, reducing stress, expanding the accessibility, etc. Cohesion comes next. Cohesive marketing refers to providing the same service, content quality, and brand values, bringing all the platforms that support your business under an overreaching omnichannel marketing approach is the goal. Then come conversion. You have made a digital marketing plan by using all sort of resources. Your conversion rate is the best KPI to utilize in this case. KPI refers to the key performance indicator. Lastly, conclusion. The best way to adapt to changes in the e-commerce business world and stimulate business growth starts with developing a strong digital marketing. See, for developing your e-commerce business, you need to take the path of digital marketing. For that, you need a digital marketer. After watching this series, if you are thinking about consulting a digital marketer, great, you have your host here. You can text me on my Facebook and Instagram page. Links are in the description. That's all for today. I will be back with a new video. Till then, stay tuned. And if the video has affected you, please like, share, and subscribe.